What's up, everybody? Today we're going to look at index match match, my favorite lookup function, although XLOOKUP is pretty awesome. Got another video on that. Check it out if you want. Jumping right on in, we've got our very basic income statement. Revenue, expenses, net income. All the data's up here. We have this, and we have different years. We want to model it out for all of these. We basically just want, say it's another sheet, we need to show it up in a certain place. So all we're going to do is use index match match. It's nothing too complicated. Equals index, and again we'll pick the whole data thing, the whole data range, F4, we lock it down so this won't adjust as we move it over, up and down, comma, match, so the same as index match. What do we want to find? First we need to find the column here. We want to look for revenue, and we want to make sure that as we move it over it doesn't change, so we want a dollar sign in front of the B. You can hit F4 3 times, or you can put a dollar sign manually, however you want to do it, comma. Where are we going to look it up? Right here. And we want to lock that, F4 again. Nothing crazy, just hit F4 once, it'll do that. And then we will go here, comma. We want an exact match, yes. Close it out. Now we're looking for the column. We'll do match again, same process. Match. What are we looking for? I want this year. And we want to make sure it stays in this row 11. So we put the dollar sign in front of the 11. That way as we move it up, down, and over, it'll always stay here and pull the year. Comma. Where are we finding it? Right there. So it's no different than how you build a chart when you look at it. Then we'll go there. And again, we're going to F4, lock it down, and exact match, 0, parentheses, and we have that second one. And there we are. And now we can do this. So we'll just drag it on over. Let's check. Is that right? 2023 revenue, 12.59, 12.59. 2024, 13.6, 13.6. Beautiful. Does that. And we can do our profit margin. You just copy it over, and it runs it right off of those. There you go. Index match match. One of the more flexible ways to look things up, and especially if you have a data table that you need to basically reference dynamically, it doesn't need to be anything crazy, you can do it. So let's say you need to add a column here, you can. This is one thing it beats over VLOOKUP, it will not break when you add a column. Also a row, it does stay stable. So it's one of those great things if you know you might have to edit your data later, if you might have to change a few things, and you can also delete the rows. The references are extremely flexible, extremely robust. Definitely one of the coolest functions. Alright, if this has been helpful, I appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and share it with whoever you think it might help. See you next time.